Well, this is the first unboxing video on the channel, and guess what we have? The Samsung Galaxy A22 4G model, which was released this year with other devices. Feel free to use the comment section to let us know what you think about the unboxing video and the device also. Welcome back to Danzzy Tech World. A sub to this channel will be appreciated. Before any other thing is done, let's find out what's in the box. So we've got the device itself, some user manual, and then the accessories. The device comes with a 15 watts fast charger and a Type-C cable. You also find the normal headphones you see on Samsung devices and a SIM ejector tool. This time around, Samsung released the device without a screen protector and even a case for the back. Starting from the top, we get a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED 90Hz HD display and a selfie camera placed at the center. At the left side, we've got the tray for the dual SIM card and a slot for the microSD card. The bottom has a headphone jack, a microphone, a Type-C port, and a mono speaker setup. The device comes with a side-mounted fingerprint reader built into the power button at the right, and also the volume keys. The back has a plastic finish with a quad camera setup, a 48 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera with both the micro and depth sensing camera at 2 megapixel, and a flashlight to follow it. The front-facing camera is a 13 megapixel lens. Before we get into the internals, make sure to subscribe so you get notified when the review of this device is out. This device is powered by a MediaTek Helio G80 processor and has a 5000 mAh battery. It also supports up to 4G cellular network. The storage and RAM are in 3 variants. Mine comes with 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of storage. Some come with 4 gigs and 128 gigs, or 6 gigs and 128 gigs of RAM and storage respectively. This device runs on Android 11 and OneUI 3.1, with Samsung promising about 3 years of upgrade. Well, what do you think about this device? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and click on any of these for more. See you in the next video.